Ben runs to the bus. Ben runs to the bus. The tub is much fun. The tub is much fun. Increase your reading skills with short sentences. Fluency practice number 8. The cop has a gun. The cop has a gun. Now it's your turn.
Good job, good job.
The cop has gum, but not bug. The cop has gum, but not bug. Your turn. The bus has 10 nuns. The bus has 10 nuns. Your turn. The duck is on the tub. The duck is on the tub. Your turn. Hug mom and pop. Hug mom and pop. Your turn. The hut is on the hill. The hut is on the hill. Your turn. The pig runs to the mud. The pig runs to the mud. Your turn. The tub has 6 ducks. The tub has 6 ducks. Your turn. See you next time. Goodbye.